Welcome back to my channel. So it is 3 o'clock and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna vlog today. So it is such a nice day and it is spring now, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to head to Bunnings and get some veggie seeds and some fruit seeds like strawberries and plant a garden. So Woolworths, which is like our food shop if you aren't Australian, is doing like a promotion where they are like you spend a certain amount and you get these mini seeds, and I think it's so cute. Every year I plant some veggie gardens, so yeah, I thought I would take you along with us and go and do that. But first I wanted to show you our tomato plant, which survived in the winter. So if you remember last year, we actually bought this veggie bed from Aldi's and we invested in like good organic soil, which was funny because last year we planted the tomato plants, and for winter we like had moved all this and moved houses obviously and planted some spinach because it was just soil. But our spinach got taken over by all this tomato plant, which must have had like seedlings in the soil, which I thought was gonna die over winter, but it totally survived, and it's the beginning of spring and we have all these tomatoes. That's so cute. Hi. Chucky just woke up from his nap. On your bum?
Now he goes backwards on this.
Whoa! Yay! Guys, so I thought I would show you what we got from Bunnings. So the first thing that we got was this little kale plant to plant in the garden. So all of this is like garden stuff. We also got this little pot for $6, and then I'll show you all the plant seeds that we got. So we got these jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, which will be perfect for Halloween in a few weeks time. We then got some capsicum, lettuce, we got strawberries, which I couldn't get in organic, which is a shame, but same with the pak choy, couldn't get that organic, but most of these are organic. We got basil, parsley, and lucky last, cucumbers. So I think this will be perfect for spring and summer. And all of this was $36, I believe. So I also wanted to show you this cool promotion that our local like shopping store has going on. It's so cool. So when you spend over a certain amount of money, I think it's like $30, you get these like seedlings to plant, and it's a surprise. And it says it like, oh, you peel it here and it tells you what it is. What are you doing? So today we're actually heading into like the city, and we're actually going to be taking Theodore on the train and the tram because I do have to drop into uni to pick up an assignment, and we're just gonna make a day out of it. So we've got Isaac, we've got Theo, we've got snacks, we're good to go. We're going down the elevator. Yay! Theodore, are you on your first tram ride? Wow! We're at the old train station. Look how vintage this is, guys. It's pretty cool. They're switching it out to little cafe areas. Oh, up you get! We are back from the beach and I have to tidy up the dining room because I don't know if you saw the video that I last posted up. Well, I don't know when this video is going to go up, to be honest, but it was the 100-item declutter challenge. Now, I'm going to be real, it's kind of been sitting on our table for the last few days. So I went to the garage and got this big box out, and we're going to be putting all the stuff that's getting donated into the box and chucking all the stuff that is not getting donated in the bin.
You shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to say it loud. Your secrets kept you pushing down, disavow. When he was knocking on your door, nobody got in. Now when you're screaming for a hand,
Alright guys, well I thought I would jump on and end the vlog because I am terrible at ending vlogs, obviously. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button to see more like this. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.